The International Criminal Court says that there is no provision for diplomatic immunity when a head of state attends an African Union summit. This refers to South Africa's failure to arrest Sudanese President Omar Al-Bashir and transfer him to The Hague when he attended an AU summit in Johannesburg earlier this year.
The court has since requested the government to explain why it did not comply with its obligations under the Rome Statute. President Al-Bashir is indicted by the ICC for war crimes, crimes against humanity and genocide.
Omar al-Bashir is alleged to have masterminded the genocide of 3 prominent ethnic groups in Sudan. The UN estimates fighting in the country since 2003 has killed over 300,000 people. The ICC thinks South Africa didn't fulfill its obligation under international law by not arresting and handing him over when he attended the African Union summit in June. But South Africa claims the fact the Sudanese president visited the country on an AU invitation handed him diplomatic immunity.
The ICC considered that there is no immunity for Mr. al-Bashir, even as sitting head of a state, because the ICC Rome Statute clearly indicates that there are no immunities because of the official capacities of the suspects, and because, according to the ICC, the Rome Statute is applicable with regard to Sudan.
South Africa now has until October 5th to provide its explanation to the court. If the court then deems there was non-cooperation, the ICC is likely to refer the matter to the UN Security Council.
The violation of the law, of international law, has mostly embarrassment and condemnation by the rest of the international community as the punishment. Generally there's no other punishment unless cases of very serious violations.
President Jacob Zuma also agreed to visit Sudan when he met with President Al-Bashir at an event in China, a move only likely to agitate the political tensions surrounding this matter. Countries like the United States and Russia are still not signed up to the jurisdiction of the court. Although the ICC insists it's obligated to investigate South Africa in this matter, voices on the African continent to withdraw from the ICC are only likely to grow louder as a result. Jack Parrick, SABC News at the International Criminal Court in The Hague.